Hello, lovely people! It's that time of the year again. I'm not talking about Christmas, although I'm super excited for it, but it's my birthday month. Yay! So last year, I did a full glam makeup look for my birthday, but this year, I thought I would do something. Listen, I think I need to clear that up. It's still a glam makeup look, but it's more wearable. So it's a wearable, glam, birthday makeup look. I'm gonna try to post this video on my birthday. I'm filming it a little bit earlier, pre-filming. Not my favorite thing to do, but I have to do it sometimes. By the way, I watched the video that I posted for my birthday last year, I'm sorry. My hair was this short. I had curls, but still my hair was this short. My hair got so long. I mean, obviously it's been a year, and I got my hair cut probably 4 times just to get rid of the split ends, but it would have been even longer. I don't know, I'm holding this piece of hair at your face and I'm like, look at my hair. Anyways, today's video is not about my hair. It's a tutorial on this look. So hope you guys enjoy watching and let's get started. Boom. Oh, hello. I'm gonna start off by finding my primer. It's January, you guys. No, it's definitely not January. It will be very soon, but it's December. If you didn't know, it's December. I just can't believe how fast time goes. It's just crazy to me. Like, I feel like yesterday was February and now it's December. It's my birthday, it's Christmas. How that happened? Someone please make it stop, make it go a little bit slower because I can't. I'm getting dizzy. I used the Ciate Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer, and now for foundation, I like this one. Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation. So I'm gonna first apply it all over my face with a brush, and then I'm gonna smooth it with my ColourPop sponge. These little guys, I mean, they're not little, they're pretty big. They can't hold my bangs. Like this little piece here, look at it, it's so short, they can't hold everything in place. Even this can't hold them. Oh, hello! I'm gonna move on to the brows. I just realized that I get to do these videos only once a year. I mean, it's a pretty special video if you ask me. I think I've done only one birthday makeup tutorial. Last year we went a little bit more glam. This year I decided to keep it a little bit more wearable. I'm still gonna add falsies because it's my birthday. Look at my brow, there is a huge gap. It's like a hole in the middle of my eyebrow. Do you want an eyebrow tutorial on this? How to make a hole in your eyebrow? I can do that for you. I feel my skin so dry today. It's kind of late to save it because I've already applied my foundation, but this Omorovicza Queen of Hungary mist, it adds some moisture to your skin. It's nice. I like using it on top of makeup, under makeup, even if I'm not wearing makeup. Taking some concealer on the Sigma E62. I will use that to clean the bottom part of my brow. I cannot figure out why my eyes look and feel so tired. I slept for 9 hours last night. 9 hours, I'm telling you, I'm a very heavy sleeper. I closed my eyes last night and I opened them up 9 hours later and I look like I haven't slept for 5 days. What's up? Why is my body treating me like that? I'm a very heavy sleeper. I didn't wake up throughout the whole night. Just gonna add some eyeshadow primer on my eyes. For eyeshadow primer today, I'm using the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Oh. So for today's eye look, I'm gonna keep it really simple. This is the Tarte Clay Face Shaping Palette. It has some eyeshadows, some face contouring / bronzing colors. These are too dark for me to use on my face, but I'm gonna focus on the eyeshadows. As I said, it's going to be a super easy eye look. I'm gonna first take the Shadow Coat Sand, this one here, and I'm using the Zoeva 227 to apply this in my crease. This is not going to be very visible. I just wanna set the concealer and the eyeshadow primer that I have in my crease, so it will be easier to apply the darker colors. Okay, next up, I'm gonna take the shade called Journey and adding that in my crease again. I'm using small circular motions, really blending that in there. I'm just adding some depth in my crease with this color. Now I'm gonna take some of this contouring / bronzing color called Desert, not dessert. And blending that in my crease again. I'm also going to slightly bring it in the outer corner of my eye here, but I'm focusing most of the product in my crease. Now I'm gonna take some of this shade on my finger, like this. It's a matte eyeshadow and I will press it in the center of my eyelid and then blend it towards the inner corner and the outer corner. It will come out a lot brighter if you use your finger instead of brush for this one. Going back to that Zoeva 227 and just diffusing any harsh lines that I see. Adding one more layer of this. Blending out again. After that, I'll add a winged eyeliner. Oh, that's nice. I recently posted an updated eyeliner tutorial, so if you guys need some help and some tips on how to apply your eyeliner, definitely go and check it out. I'm gonna have it listed down in the description box. Now, false lashes. I think that I'm saying that in every video because I just feel like I need to say it. If you don't want to wear falsies, don't. I'm not wearing falsies every single day of my life. I'm wearing them only on more special occasions or when I'm wearing more glam makeup looks. I feel like falsies definitely add something to the look, but you don't need to wear them. And watching my videos, I don't want you to feel like your looks are not completed if you don't use false lashes. If you're a beginner, it can be difficult to get used to them, it can be difficult to apply them. Even if you see that I'm applying falsies in my videos, don't feel like you should do it too. False lashes are my least favorite part from my makeup routine. I feel like they're time consuming. Yeah, they look good at the end, but I feel like they require so much effort to apply them properly. I mean, everybody can glue on a pair of falsies, but it requires some time to make them look good, you know? I love the end result. I love wearing falsies. I like how my eyes look after I add the falsies, but if I could make the whole process a little bit quicker, a little bit less frustrating, yeah, it would be nice. The mascara that I'm actually applying before the falsies is the Nabla Major Pleasure Mascara. Alright, and falsies are on. Ooh, I feel like false lashes make my eyes look more like a cartoon. You know those cartoon characters that have those very long lashes, the eyeliner, you know what I'm talking about. I feel like eyeliner and falsies give me that kind of like cartoon look, I guess. I like it, but I'm not going for that every single day of my life, okay? I think that it's important to mention because I go for groceries without any makeup on. I go, you know, outside to do stuff without any makeup on. Like, I have those days too. So even if you see all of those people wearing like super full glam makeup looks on YouTube, don't just assume that they're doing that every time they go out of the house. At least that's not the case with me. Do you guys want to see more like everyday wearable makeup looks in the upcoming videos? Let me know down in the comments. So, concealer. I thought I would use these IT Cosmetics concealers. Why are they so dirty? I haven't used those in a very long time, so I want to try them out today. This is the shade Light, and I'm gonna mix it with the shade. I remember that these concealers were very full coverage, and they have different consistency. They feel different. They feel a little bit more sticky, more thick, and yeah, wow, they cover a lot. I'm going over it with my sponge, setting it in place with some powder, switching to a bigger brush and setting my face with that same powder. I'm using the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. This is a nice powder for those of you with more dry skin because it makes your skin look very smooth, but it doesn't give you that drying effect that most powders will give you. I don't know how this powder will work if you have more oily skin because I don't think that it will be able to keep your face matte throughout the day. So guys, when is your birthday? Is there anyone else that has their birthday in December too? And by the way, I know that some of you will ask, what is my zodiac sign? I know what it is, I don't know how to pronounce it in English. I know how to write it, I don't know how to pronounce it. And I think that I need the help of Google.
Sagittarius.
Sagittarius, that's what I am. That's what they told me that I am. I don't know. I know nothing about astrology. Wow, hey, I just realized that astrology it's Greek. Because in Greek, asteri means star. So asteri, astrology. Can you see what's going on there? Wow, did I apply too much contour on my forehead? I probably did. Next up for blush, I'm gonna go with the Ofra Bellini. For highlighter, I thought I would use this one here by Sigma. This is their Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. Okay, so now I'm gonna melt all of those products into my skin. I'm gonna take this Ofra makeup fixer. You can use any kind of setting spray that you have. I'm going to spray my face with it. And now, while it's still wet, I'm taking my sponge and I'm pressing it on top of that highlighter. Look how beautiful it looks. It kind of blurs the highlighter and it makes it look more natural. And if you went a little bit crazy with your blush, you can definitely tone it down now. Okay, now let's finish up the eye look. I'm gonna go back to that Tarte palette, taking some of this cooler brown shade. It's cooler than the others. No, but it's more cool-toned brown color. So I'm gonna take it on this Huda Beauty Smoke and Smudge brush and I will smudge it along my lower lashes. Blending it out with the other end of this brush. Now I'm gonna take some of that eyeshadow that I also have all over my eyelid, placing it in the inner corner of my eyes just for some highlight. I wish it was a little bit brighter though. Hold on, I think I know what I need here. BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Palette. This is one of the brightest. Yeah, I haven't used that palette in a long time, but this is one of the brightest matte eyeshadows that I've ever used. So I'm gonna take some of it on this brush. This is the Lexi 141 mini round brush and placing that in the inner corners of my eyes and also on my brow bone. I might also add some of it on my eyelid here. Yep, that eyeshadow never disappoints me. Next up, I'm tightlining my waterline with some white pencil. I'm using one by Pretty Vulgar. I'm absolutely loving this look. And on my birthday, we're gonna go out on a date with Dimitri. You know, it's going to be a little bit more chill. And this is the look that I'm gonna wear. So on top, I'm gonna add some lip gloss. This is the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Gloss in the shade She's Here. Whoa, it's burning. I wanna learn more about how exactly plumping glosses work. Like, what's happening there? I wanna know why it feels so weird when you first apply them. By the way, this is one of my favorite eye looks. It's so simple, so natural, but it looks so good. If I had to wear one look for the rest of my life, it would probably be this one. I'm pretty sure that I said that in some of my other videos. But if I had to choose now, it would be this look. I should have probably put some Christmas decoration behind me, but I forgot. Alrighty guys, and this is our final look. I think that I finally made my hair look okay. I have these little bobby pins. Let me show them to you. So this is a regular bobby pin, right? And this is the one that I used to pin my bangs. Look, it's so tiny. It's like mom and baby. really cute. I don't know how you're actually supposed to use them, but they just, I don't know, they do a really good job holding my bangs in place, so I like them. I like that they're a little bit shorter. Alrighty guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Ooh, did you hear that? This was my hand. Okay, bye!